Hey guys, welcome back to another Minecraft video. We're having lots of fun. Okay. So guys, I'm playing with my sister. Eva, say hi. Hi. Yeah. Okay. So guys, this is my house. Oh wait, it's midnight. We better get indoors and sleep over. Oh yeah, we've both got axolotls. Ava, what's yours called again?
Mine's called Melon.
And so that's Melon there.
Yeah,
She's shy. Yeah, she just like hides in the corner there. And then Axe, this is Axe, this is mine. And he's very active. Yeah. Okay, so let's go upstairs and sleep now. Because, yeah.
Okay.
And we've also got two pets. So there's a rabbit, which is Ava's. She's called Donut. And then I've got a parrot that's always happy in the morning. See, I'll show you that in a second. Okay, Ava, come on. Yeah, when it's morning.
Don't teleport me, it's fine.
You're really not, Ava. You have major brain damage. Okay. Alright, right, sleep. So then I can show the viewers, so then I can show the viewers how happy the parrot is in the morning. So yeah, I wake up and I'm like, I need tea! And I hear this music and I'm like, what the hell? I look around and Donut's just like, hi! I'm looking over there, aren't you gonna look? And I'm like, and then my parrot's just like, yo!